Let us download and install Microsoft Office 2021. Go to your browser, write Office Customization Tool, click this. From the configuration, choose your configuration system. I will choose 64-bit. From Office Suite, choose Office LTSC Professional Plus 2021. Keep the others as it is. Next. Choose your language. I would choose English. Press next. Next again. From here, uninstall any MSI versions of Office. Turn it off. Press next. 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 Finish. This is the configuration that we generated. Export it. Choose Office Open XML formats. Okay. Accept the license. Export. Configuration now is downloaded. Open other window. Write Office Deployment Tool. Click on this. Download. Office Deployment Tool also is downloaded. Go to the folder that your files are downloaded. These are the two files that we downloaded. Create a folder, Office 2021. Get your files, Control X, paste in the folder that you just made. Right click on Office Deployment Tool, run as administrator. Yes. Accept the license. Continue. Choose the location that your folder or your file is extracted. Select the file that you just made. Okay. Your files are extracted successfully. Okay. Now, cut the folder and paste in C drive. There are some commands that must be done. From here, write mcp, right click on this, run as administrator. Copy this. Click on this icon, edit, paste. Press enter. Copy this as well. Again, edit, paste. Now our Microsoft Office is going to download and install successfully. While your installing is started, you would see a window like this, and wait for a while, it will be installed. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this video to be helpful. For more daily tips and tricks, subscribe us and don't forget to like the video.